In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful logo in Canva for marketing business. Open your web browser and head over to Canva. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account so your work saves automatically and you can access all your designs later. From the home screen, click Create to start a new project. In the design options, choose Logo. This sets you up with the right canvas size and unlocks logo-focused tools and templates, which is perfect for building a brand identity for a marketing business. If you already have brand elements, like an icon or a symbol, you can bring those in now. On the left sidebar, select Uploads, then choose Upload Files and pick the image you want from your computer. High-resolution images work best, and if you have a version with a transparent background, that will give you more flexibility. Next, add your brand name. Click. Add a text box and type whatever you want. The business name, a tagline, or both. Now refine it. Adjust the font style to match your brand's personality, bold and modern for a confident marketing agency, or sleek and minimal for a premium feel. Tweak the size so it's readable at small scales, and choose a color that aligns with your brand palette. Aim for clarity and contrast because logos need to look great on screens, print, and social profiles. You can also change the background. Click on the background area, then choose colors at the top and scroll to pick a shade you like. For logos, a clean background helps with versatility. A solid neutral or your brand's primary color often works well. Make sure the text and any icons stand out against it. If you'd like Canva to help generate ideas, use the design panel, describe your ideal logo with a clear prompt related to a marketing business. Mention tone, style, and key elements like modern geometric mark with a clean sans serif word mark, bold colors, professional marketing vibe. Paste your idea into the prompt area and click Generate Design. Canva will propose several options based on your description. Browse the results and select the logo you like best. You can continue fine-tuning fonts, colors, spacing, and layout as needed. If the design isn't quite right, simply edit the prompt you entered, be more specific about color, mood, or icon style, and generate again until it matches your vision. By the end, you'll have a polished, professional logo tailored for a marketing business ready to represent your brand across all your channels.